Dark chocolate nut. Yum.
Hey everyone, it's been a while. I've been taking part in such classics as to make it up to you, I thought I'd come up today to one of the prettiest places near my house, and this is called Evans Peak in Golden Ears Provincial Park in Canada, and pretty fortunate to live like 15 minutes away and a 2-hour slog up a mountain. But we're here, and today I figured I'd make a video on some point of view photography, just kind of showing you what I see, some of the things that I look for, and you'll kind of see through the lens of my camera. So it's going to be pretty fun. I'm honestly just happy to be here. There's no one else because it is a Tuesday, which is the benefits of just being a bit of a delinquent. Now, one of the unintended lessons that I'm going to have to work through today is landscape photography in midday sun, which isn't always the best light. We don't even have some interesting clouds to make anything that great. So let's see what we can do, and yeah, so let's go. I think the first photo I'd like to take is going to be right there, standing with the mountains. So, I wonder if maybe we should set the camera here, and then I can sit there. Give that a shot. Okay, now it's really important to stay motivated when you're hiking and doing a big hike like this. So it's very important to bring yourself a peak treat. Today we've got Nature Valley dark chocolate nut, and you can take that to whatever dirty place you'd like, because we're all 12-year-olds at heart. Dark chocolate nut. So whenever I'm doing a hike like this, I only bring 2 lenses. I usually bring my Tamron 17-28 to get the extra wide, and then I usually will pack a nice telephoto lens like my 70-200. And the reason I do that for landscape photos is because you can get so much detail out of the peaks. You can focus in on trees, you can focus in on streams, and that compression that these lenses get are something that I really enjoy. So it's heavy. I don't use it that much, and it's kind of a pain in the ass, but I still bring it, and I managed to get some great photos with it. Now, one of the nice things is when you're shooting in light that's very flat like it is right now, using the telephoto lens will allow you to punch in a lot nicer on a specific subject. So while the entire mountain might not be very interesting because it looks very flat, as we can see in the couloirs coming down there, this will allow us to just crop in on certain specific details that on their own might look pretty cool. Like for this one, I can see that the clouds right above Golden Ears are looking very wispy and almost drawing attention as a leading line into Golden Ears. So we'll see if we can capture that and then edit it to look very nice. Now, funny story, I actually had a campfire at that beach just the other day, and we're kind of getting the aerial view of that now. Get that tree out of the way. Kind of see the bridge down there as well. It's pretty cool. You can see the river down there as well. I don't know what river that is, but maybe someone who does know can leave it in the comments down below for me. Do you guys see her? Do you see her over there? On Mount Baker. What a snack.
Dark chocolate nut. Yum.
And we're back. Great indoors. I just want to keep this one short today because there's not really any need to take this super seriously and to overthink everything. So I just wanted to leave a few tips that have helped me over the years with my midday landscape photography. Clouds. Clouds are your friends. Clouds make a scene a little bit more interesting. They add some definition to the sky. If you don't have a lot of clouds, it's not a big deal. Even just one or two will be really cool if you can focus in on some minimalism or just add a little bit of sparkle to your photo. If you have an open, no cloud sky, sometimes that can draw attention away from the actual subject that you're focusing on. So try to use clouds, and if you don't see any clouds, just wait. I'm sure that they'll be along soon, maybe, I don't know. Use a telephoto lens. I know sometimes it's counterintuitive with landscape photography. A lot of the time, even myself a few years ago, I would find myself putting on the widest lens I could just to get everything in frame. And yeah, over the past few years, I've kind of changed my ways with that, and I've really been bringing my telephoto lenses on longer hikes with me because it allows me to focus on whatever I want, and I can cut out the noise and cut out the static and just focus in on just a specific thing within the landscape, and I've been really enjoying that. If you're photographing a subject such as a person, there are a few different ways to escape the midday sun pitfalls. Put them in the shade. That's going to be the quickest way to instantly even out all that skin tone and make sure that you don't have any super harsh lines. If you don't have that option, honestly, just put them right in the sun. That's okay sometimes. Photography isn't this rigid art. The nice thing is we can have photos of people that have those harsh lines, and sometimes it makes for some really dramatic imagery. So lean into that, or don't. Do whatever you want. I'm not your mom. And honestly, if all else fails with your landscape photos and the sky's not going the way you want and the lighting's not going the way you want, just wait. With landscapes, they change every hour or so with the sun shifting in the sky, with the clouds rolling in. So just wait. You know, we're landscape photographers. Typically, we're not running Fortune 500 companies. So we have some extra time just to kick around and wait. So those are my tips. Hopefully you found this video at the very least entertaining. If not, you learned something. Or again, not. So till next time.